Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best IPL hair removal machines for painless hair removal at home. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. IPL Hair Removal Safe Laser Epilator. Perfect for painless hair removal at home. This IPL hair removal device offers 990,000 flashes, ensuring long-term use. Its LCD display provides easy monitoring, while it's gentle enough for sensitive areas like the bikini line. Enjoy safe and effective body hair removal from the comfort of your home. The advantages of this IPL hair removal machine are 990,000 flashes for long-lasting use, safe for sensitive areas, easy-to-use LCD display. The disadvantages of this IPL hair removal machine are not suitable for all skin tones. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. KODO 2023 New Laser Hair Removal Epilator. Designed for permanent hair reduction, this laser hair removal device offers 900,000 flashes, making it ideal for long-term use. With its painless IPL technology, it is perfect for sensitive skin and larger body areas. This model is a popular choice for both home and professional use. The advantages of this IPL hair removal machine are 900,000 flashes for extended use, painless hair removal experience, suitable for various body areas. The disadvantages of this IPL hair removal machine are limited availability in some regions. At number 3. Bosidin Laser Epilator with 180-degree rotating head. This high-quality Bosidin IPL device offers permanent hair removal with a unique 180-degree rotating head for better coverage. It also includes skin rejuvenation features, making it a versatile tool for both hair reduction and skincare routines. Ideal for use at home, this portable device is known for its convenience. The advantages of this IPL hair removal machine are 180-degree rotating head for better reach, combines hair removal and skin rejuvenation, portable and easy to use. The disadvantages are, can be expensive compared to other models. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. IPL Hair Removal Laser Epilator Women. This portable IPL laser epilator offers 900,000 flashes, making it perfect for long-term use on various body parts like the face, body, and bikini line. It provides painless hair removal and is designed for safe use at home, making it an excellent choice for women looking for a reliable depilation tool. The advantages of this IPL hair removal machine are 900,000 flashes for lasting results, painless and effective for sensitive areas, lightweight and portable design. The disadvantages of this IPL hair removal machine are, takes time to see full results. At number 1. MLAY T14 Laser Hair Removal Permanent Epilator. The MLAY T14 IPL Epilator features 500,000 flashes and an ice-cool technology for painless hair removal. It is suitable for face and body, making it a versatile device. Designed for home use, this device offers a smooth and cool experience, ensuring comfort during sessions. The advantages of this IPL hair removal machine are ice-cool technology for a painless experience, 500,000 flashes for long-term use, suitable for face and body. The disadvantages of this IPL hair removal machine are lower flash count compared to other models.